Well, kind of studying this to see how I'm going to dissect it. And, so beating the inside of this inner rocker panel out. I've got this part pretty well straight up and down. I'm going to move down across here, and you can see how much this thing is bent. Right about here. This car, even though it had that 3/4 of an inch or so of Bondo there, it was still over an inch between here and the bottom of the door. And this part here, they had this bent in, trying to make this rubber seal meet against the door, and it still didn't even meet. But I mean, that's probably 3/4 of an inch difference right there. I've had to use a 4-pound hammer right there to hit it on this side in here to bend it inwards. As you can see, it's tilted in quite a bit. So that there's straight up and down, and that starts tilting. I mean, you see the angle on my finger. When I come out here, it starts straightening up. But just giving updates. The owner of the car wanted to see, as much as possible of everything I was doing. So that's what I'm doing here. All right, I gotta stop and get back at her. Have a good day.